Good evening, all of you all. I formally start the session now. I would like to thank respected Ketan sir, who has come here all the way. So Ketan Kesha Mr. Ketan Kesha is today's guest speaker. This is a special session for removing the fear of science and understanding the power of science. So science में क्या power है? तो आज क्या हुआ है, मार्क्स का पूरा खेल चल रहा है कि 1 मार्क मिला कम तो फिर ये एडमिशन नहीं, वो एडमिशन नहीं. तो बेटे मार्क्स इज इम्पोर्टेंट बट लव एंड फोकस फॉर ए सब्जेक्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो अगर आपको साइंस से प्यार है तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि क्या क्या बिल्ड कर सकते हो. आपसे अगर सब लोग डर के बैठे तो बेटे राइट, वी नीड गुड इंजीनियर्स, वी नीड गुड डॉक्टर्स एंड इट इज नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. It is not very difficult. ये जो we are simply going and telling people, difficult है, ये है. Everything in life is difficult if you look at it. ऐसा CA भी easy course नहीं है पास होने का. CA में hardly 1% pass percentage है. So let's get it clear. Getting into Bajaj, मैं बजाज का MBA है finance का, is tougher than getting into IIM. Getting into IIM, getting into IIM is even more tougher than getting into Harvard. तो अगर आप difficulty level सोच के कुछ करोगे बेटे, so definitely you will not be able to achieve success. Understand the beauty of the subject. So today what Ketan sir is going to do is आपको beauty of the subject समझाएंगे, completely समझाएंगे. Now who is Ketan sir? Ketan sir is a complete technocrat. तो हम लोग technocrat किसको बोलते हैं? एक engineer है sir, right? उनका मैं आपको उनका professional achievements बाद में बताऊंगा. पर educational आप सुन लीजिए. He is मैं क्या बोलूं अभी इनके बारे में. He is from the respected SP Jain से किया हुआ है, जहाँ पर when I met respected Ketan sir, he was doing a management course and he is from Banaras Hindu University, which is one of the best, right, one of the best engineering colleges of India. 1974-79 5 साल BTech electrical engineering किया हुआ है. Sir is the only child. He could have easily gone to United States. वो लोग बुला रहे थे US वाले, but sir गए नहीं क्योंकि only child है. तो उनके पेरेंट्स को सपोर्ट करने के लिए ही स्टेड बैक इन इंडिया. अभी उनका प्रोफाइल में किस किस के साथ काम किया है आपको बहुत सरप्राइजिंग लगेंगे. सर हैज वर्कड विद L&T, सर हैज वर्कड विद BARC, सर हैज वर्कड विद न्यूक्लियर पावर. अभी 2 दिन पहले जब जा रहे थे तो सर ने इतना बोला BARC में कुछ काम है तो बताइए सर, आई नो पीपल विल कम एंड हेल्प यू. एंड आई वाज जस्ट लुकिंग एट सर, BARC मतलब बहुत हाई स्पेसिफिकेशंस वाला काम है बेटे. ऐसा एक दो छोटा मोटा माइक्रोन से भी स्लिप होगा तो एंटायर थिंग चेंजेस. And he's very popular because he's a technocrat. उनके खुद के businesses है, right? He is the owner of 2 companies, not 1, 2 companies, integrated automatic systems and integrated drive systems. अभी हम लोग साथ में काम कर रहे हैं 2 कंपनी के लिए. तो एक मशीन जो 32 लाख में बन रहा है, सर उसको इंडियनाइज करके 18 लाख में बनाने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इंडिजिनाइज करके. तो इंडियन पार्ट्स यूज करते. तो बाहर से मेरा स्टूडेंट इंपोर्ट कर रहा था 32 लाख में. उन्होंने बोला क्यों, मैं इधर करके देता हूँ. 18 लाख में इंडियन कंपोनेंट से ही वाज ट्राइंग टू मेक एंड दे आर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. सर अभी बड़े बड़े कंपनीज दामोदर उनके साथ काम कर रहे हैं. ही इज वर्क विद ऑल मेजर इंडस्ट्रीज लाइक एटॉमिक एंड न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी. ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री में भी काम किया है, फूड इंडस्ट्री में भी काम किया है, बेवरेज, केमिकल, फार्मास्यूटिकल्स, टेक्सटाइल, पेपर, प्लास्टिक्स, आप बोलिए वो सेक्टर में काम किया है. I don't think you can get a better speaker than respected Ketan sir to tell you about the marvels of science. So आज का टॉपिक आप समझिए, marvels of science. इनके काफी सारे नए प्रोडक्ट्स सर ने खुद निकाला है. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, हम लोग कभी कभी ना हंसते हंसते बोलते हैं जुगाड़ू है, जुगाड़ू. अभी ये वर्ड जुगाड़ू ना हम लोग मस्ती मस्ती में उसको एकदम नीचापन दिखाते हैं, अरे ये तो जुगाड़ू है. जुगाड़ू गलत बात है बेटे. जुगाड़ू इज गेटिंग मैक्सिमम रिजल्ट्स विद मिनिमम रिसोर्सेस. Maximum results with minimum resources, and that's what Indians are capable of. अगर आप मिशन मंगल पिक्चर देखोगे तो आपको समझेगा 1/10 of the budget में we did it, जो नासा ने किया है. Why? Because of technocrats like Ketan sir. Sir, namaskar to you, sir. I will now move back and hand over. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you for giving this platform, sir. I think that we should put in efforts rather than worrying about the results, because if you put the effort, then results are bound to come. देखो आप यार engineering, do you realize that you're part of engineering is part of your daily life? आप सुबह में उठा कब से पानी पिया तो engineers, thanks to engineers, hydraulic engineers are providing filtered water at your doorstep. The electricity, the power, the roads, the railways, I mean, it's all engineering about it, In fact, it should excite you a lot more than this, And if you start looking at it from the excitement point of view, I think you can get into whatever institute you want because you are interested and you'll do your best to get into this. This is my personal how to reduce stress because of study. Yeah, if you enjoy it, you will not have the stress.
केतन सर का एक ही कहना है कि इफ यू एंजॉय देयर इज नो स्ट्रेस एट एक ही यूनिवर्सिटी मत पकड़ के चलो बेटे आजकल बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है आपके पास एंड यू नो डोंट मिसअंडरस्टैंड मी आजकल किधर भी आप इंजीनियरिंग करोगे मैं वापस आपको बोलता हूँ बाहर जाना गेटिंग एडमिशन अब्रॉड इज इजियर देन इंडिया तो मैं आपको मिसलीड नहीं कर रहा हूँ पासिंग ए चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी कोर्स इज मच मोर टफर 1% पास परसेंटेज है सीए का आप प्लीज समझिए तो उधर भी स्ट्रेस है बच्चों को आप कोई आपका कॉमर्स के बच्चों को पूछो खाली बीकॉम करके कुछ फायदा है क्या बोलेगा कोई फायदा नहीं है तो ऐसा मत सोचो बेटे साइंस कॉमर्स अगर आप में पैशन है यू एंजॉय इट टेक इट अप फिर डर किस बात का स्कोरिंग वेल इन एग्जाम्स ये सब ना सॉरी टू यूज दिस हम लोग डरा के रखा है आपको अरे इतना मार्क्स उतना मार्क्स मार्क्स इज वन पॉइंट ऑफ इट केतन सर आपको ओपन क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं बिफोर यू स्टार्ट डिड यू ऑलवेज डू वेल इन योर स्टडीज डिड यू ऑनेस्टली टेल द यंग किड्स I don't know, sir. I'm asking you. Did you honestly do well all the time?
No, not really. And I want to add one more thing also today. Whenever I am recruiting engineers today also, I give preference to the second class students more than the first class students.
Wow.
This is a fact. This is a fact. Because they are more knowledge oriented than the first class students. See, first class students will know all the formulas. They will know everything. But when it comes to getting knowledge, okay, there's one more thing I want to add these people. There is another route of diploma plus degree. You can always look at the second option also. If you are too stressed, there's another option and it will be a very excellent combination where you have done a diploma which exposes to a lot of practical aspects and then do the degree also. Bottom line is you have to gain the knowledge. The fundamentals have to be very good. I can bet upon it. No engineering college in the world can teach you 100% of engineering. It is impossible. What they are going to teach you is 10 to 15% of the basic fundamentals from where you need to develop and make your own way.
So very important point. जय सर आप ऐड कीजिए कि देखिए सर does not take only toppers. तो हम लोग भी अभी फॉर एग्जांपल again I like to say अपना एक जय सर का स्टूडेंट है हर्ष सिंह करके वेस्ट का है. He is not in the IIT. He is in स्वामी विवेकानंदा. वो बच्चा अभी खुद का प्रोजेक्ट करके आ रहा है. मैं 2 दिन पहले बात कर रहा था. He was wishing me for Teachers Day. हर्ष सिंह वेस्ट ब्रांच का है बच्चा. He has developed his own model, working model. और वो मेरे को बच्चा बोल रहा था, I am going to go for a patent. उम्र क्या है बच्चे का? 18-19 साल. But he was enjoying that process. He was enjoying studying. तो सर का 2 कहना है, मार्क्स तो ठीक है बेटे होता रहेगा. Marks is important, nothing wrong. But more important is the passion for learning. It's a passion for knowledge.
Okay, so today we are going to talk of marvels of engineering. And first we'll start with why science, because unfortunately or fortunately, you need to go through science to get into engineering. So now advantages of choosing science stream. Okay, so I'm already saying that every student हमेशा science से दूर जाने का कोशिश करता है. But science is a fun subject. When you start taking it interest, it allows you to be much smarter, intelligent and progressive. So science is fun, yaar. You can see things happening in front of you. Chemistry में देखो, physics में देखो, कहीं पे भी देखो, you'll have lot of things happening, you know. See, okay, before we go into anything, they are not going to undermine any other branches of profession. Maybe medical, maybe commerce, maybe chartered accountant, company secretary. But this, our subject is today only to focus on science, so we'll stick to this. So when you study subjects like physics and chemistry, it enhances your understanding of the world. Causes, effect. Causes and effect is something where the science comes into picture. It allows you to develop scientific knowledge and theory about everything in the world that you come across. Then the next thing is science leads to progressive and remarkable developments. It has helped people find the cure to so many diseases, so medical, raise awareness, and has created infinite possibilities for us. Science teaches you so much variety of work that you will never get bored. From the human body to space and universe, you will get ample opportunity to learn many things. So pure science itself is another very, very big field, you know. Going to the scientists at Atomic Energy, Nuclear Power Corporation, ISRO. So this is another things. So basically, it is exciting. You will enjoy when you do all the science and all, you know. So with that small thing onto science, we'll go to our major this thing of why engineering now. So Jay Leno believes, I also believe that engineers are going to save this world, whether you like it or not, but this is what is said very well. So why engineering? Scientists study the world as it is. Engineers create the world that never has been. And Elon Musk says engineering is the closest thing to magic that exists in the world. So these are quite inspiring statements. If you look at it, if you sit down and think about this, you will feel wonderful, and it will be quite exciting for you to go into each of these and see what is happening, you know. So now, why engineering? Now we say an engineering-based education allows you exposure to various technical subjects and skill sets. You will be able to develop skills that are transferable to most industries, such as problem solving, decision making, innovation, project management, team working, and communication. एक engineering का see please remember that this formal 4 years course or 5 years course training engineering में पढ़ाते क्या है, उसके अलावा क्या क्या होता है. This is what we are trying to tell you. तो पहले तो एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल हो जाती है, because you have to solve the problem. You will be faced with the projects, you will be asked to solve the problem, and it is better that you work in isolation rather than making a group of people, because then group of people में क्या होता है कि we try to give up, you know, we tend to give up. But when you are coming to, you are alone, you will be able to get into the complete detail. You will start from fundamentals, your approach will be very clear, and if you are not getting result, you will correct yourself, you know. Guidance is always available. Decision making will happen. Innovation is up to you. You can take it to any extreme levels which you want. Project management, team working, and communication. Engineering is a creative profession. We are in the time. अभी देखो, rapid social changes are taking, technologies are changing. तो engineers तो चाहिए ही. एक बात ध्यान रखिए, we were one of the best in the years of, I think, 80 to 90 and 90 to 2000. We are one of the country with the best electrical power engineers. Today, it is not so, because the core engineering is grossly being neglected. So, I mean, at this point, even I would like to tell you that in case, whenever you are going for engineering, आप एक ध्यान रखो कि मैं core subject select करो electrical, select करो mechanical, select करो civil, chemical, one of these, you know. IT is the, by the way, you can while doing this, you can always pick up IT, you know. But IT करके आप कोई भी branch of engineering select करना आसान नहीं है, because you will not be able to cope up with it. और दूसरा है कि ये आप कोई भी इंडस्ट्री, कोई भी आपका एक्सटर्नल सराउंडिंग कहीं पे भी देखो, तो इलेक्ट्रिकल, मैकेनिकल, सिविल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और केमिकल, एंड these are going to be the fundamental things which will be useful to you. And with this, you can get into any industry at any point of time, because this is a core subject. And unfortunately, in India, the core engineers are getting reduced, you know, maybe various reasons. But my recommendation to you is you should select the core engineering. Then I say, if you like to question, explore, invent, discover, and create, then engineering could be the ideal profession for you. So now we are just a lighter moment. What would the world look like without engineering? So supposing you did not have the computer, you know, then Abacus is there, and he's just trying to make a laptop out of slide rules. And I mean, I'm one person who have used slide rules, you know. I don't know whether people may not have heard of it also, but unless slide rules used, the calculators were not available at that point of time. So this is a contribution of engineers, how much is helping, you know. गाड़ी भी नहीं चलेगा हाथ.
That's a good one, sir. Good one. Good one.
Aircrafts, you know, the baggage is also there. Put the baggage also there. So this is just to imagine a scenario that yes, engineers have been contributing a lot to it, but we do not realize, you know, maybe it's an indirect contribution, but it is huge. It is huge. A 74-year-old goes high tech using a solar powered fan to grill corn on the roadside near Vidhan Sauda. Can you imagine? It is amazing, sir. Amazing. It's unbelievable. So See, पहले this now let's see, look at this. पहले रेलवे का डब्बा को हाथ से पेंट करते थे. They used to paint by hand. And now we have developed an automatic system for doing it. Okay, so now what is it? So see, ये अपना रेलवे का डब्बा है, 30 मीटर लंबा है, 30 meters long. You know, you have traveled so many times. अब ये डब्बा को अभी तक मैंने जैसा दिखा है वो मैन्युअली पेंटिंग करते थे. मैन्युअली पेंट करने में दिन में एक डब्बा भी नहीं होता है उनका, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी वेरी क्लमजी एंड फिनिशिंग जो चाहिए वो नहीं मिलता है. The thickness of the paint which is required is not available. So they came out with a proposal and हमने we did first job for railways. Almost indirectly, it was way back about 9 to 10 years back, and since then we have supplied about 12 to 13 systems. Sir, इसमें क्या करता है? Please understand that this is the two sides are being painted. ऊपर का रूफ को भी पेंट करते हैं. इंटेलिजेंट सिस्टम क्या है कि विंडो आता है तभी छोड़ देता है, दरवाजा आता है तभी छोड़ देता है. You can observe that, when it goes to the window, it doesn't paint the window portion because it is empty anyway, so you are not wasting the paint. दरवाजा भी छोड़ देता है. And now with this system you can paint one coach in less than 1 hour. So that is the thing. And paint is saved. The finishing is very nice. You can see those double decker coaches nowadays, they come with very 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 nice colors and all. So that is being done by on these particular machines. We are supplied to about 5 plants at various locations. So अभी देखिए पेंटिंग का एक कंसेप्ट था, उसको हाउ सिंपली नाउ टू सी दिस आपको आइडिया आएगा कि इतना कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है, खाली गन को ऊपर नीचे ले जा रहा है, इधर से उधर ले रहा है, which is not very difficult, but it is the thought process which you have to come out with, and then the solution can be derived. So this is the actual machine which is taking the guns up and down and to and fro. To simplify, you all been riding the elevators. We have used a similar principle for riding the elevators. और 6 टाइप के अलग अलग कोच, सेकंड एसी, थर्ड एसी, पुराना फर्स्ट क्लास, डबल डेकर, about 6 types of different coaches can be handled by one system, and you can select a database by pushing one push button. All the settings get changed completely. So the changeover time is practically nothing. This is the top gantry which takes it for 30 meters. Do not worry about getting into details. I'm just showing you that what things can be done, and they are not really, really difficult. Abhi car parking, simple. You can see everywhere mess, Solution is simple. Again, you can see on the right-hand side of the screen that how simple the solutions are. So this is in our factory. Yeah? This is in our factory. ये गाड़ी ऊपर गया, नीचे सेकंड गाड़ी can come at the bottom of this. And this can be expanded, this can be made fully automatic. There is puzzle parking, there are many, many options. But this is a fundamental way how it's going to lift and go into the next one. अभी ये जो आपका सब लोग जाते हैं बॉलिंग खेलने के लिए, this is a simple video, I'm just putting it because कितना इसमें भी क्या engineering है. So we'll look at it, how the pins are handled. सब पिंस को पीछे धकेल दिया. जो बॉल वापस आता, when it comes back, there also is engineering. See, you may not have imagined that what kind of things are behind the scenes, you know, for such kind of applications also. Engineering in homes. अभी देखिए, टीवी का जगह नहीं था.
फैंटास्टिक, फैंटास्टिक. चिराग बेटे आप भी कुछ कमेंट कीजिए, आपके बच्चे हैं सर, प्लीज. फैंटास्टिक. मोनिका में says that's absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. Complete use of space.
And अभी ये तो बहुत चल रहा है. एक ही घर में you will have a bedroom, पूरा बेड ऊपर चला जाएगा सीलिंग के ऊपर. Sofas will take place of it. So in literally in 1.5 rooms you can have everything and enjoy all the comforts. If, I'm giving you one site, you can go and see that. I'll just give you at the end of this.
That was really good, sir.
अभी ये देखो, चढ़ने का तकलीफ है, नीज नहीं चल रहा है, पुराने बिल्डिंग में लिफ्ट नहीं है. What are we going to do? See what we are doing. इसके ऊपर बैग्स भी हम लेके जा सकते हैं, वजन वाले बैग्स होएगा तो. पुराने बिल्डिंग में अगर लिफ्ट नहीं लगा सकते तो दिस इज अ वंडरफुल सॉल्यूशन वेयर अप टू 3-4 स्टोरी यू कैन यूटिलाइज दिस. She will now sit down. I think this is at Smash. People might have heard of Smash. Is at Lower Parel. It's a gaming zone, and they use a 6-legged robot there also to do all kinds of things. Again, engineering. So, having said that, now this is the most important thing which I want to share with you. Never mind if you cannot remember the formula. अगर फॉर्मूला याद नहीं है तो टेंशन मत करो. अगर आपके फंडामेंटल सही है तो आप उसमें से कोई भी सॉल्यूशन निकाल सकते हो और फॉर्मूला भी क्रिएट कर सकते हो, बिकॉज यू नो व्हाट इज द प्रिंसिपल. सो द स्ट्रेस इज अगेन गोइंग टू बी इन फंडामेंटल्स, यूज ऑफ फंडामेंटल्स. प्लीज डू नॉट निग्लेक्ट एनी चैप्टर एंड नॉट ट्राई टू लिव इट इन ऑप्शन फॉर स्कोरिंग मार्क्स. 8 में से 5 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट करना है, 3 मैंने छोड़ दिया, and you are into big problem, because in your career span one does not know what problems you are going to face when. आप तभी बता नहीं पाओगे कि मैंने ऑप्शन में छोड़ दिया. सो बी डू नॉट वरी. मैं फिर से वही बोलता हूँ, नॉलेज अगर आपके पास होएगा तो यू विल विन ओवर द वर्ल्ड एनीवेयर एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. Similarly, do not neglect interdisciplinary subjects, as their knowledge would also be more than handy. मैं इलेक्ट्रिकल पढ़ रहा हूँ, मुझे मैकेनिकल क्यों चाहिए? मैं मैकेनिकल कर रहा हूँ, मेरे को मोटर का सीखने का क्या जरूरत है? No, you have to know that, because while working, this would be a big plus point during recruitment. The results and marks are important, but more than it, the subject knowledge and fundamentals will be ever required. Hard work without knowledge does not help you reach your goal. और एक दूसरा बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, इंजीनियरिंग इज बियॉन्ड लैंग्वेज. मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आता है तो क्या? कुछ नहीं. If you are not very fluent in English, it just does not matter much, provided you know your subject very well. Today in the industry, most successful engineers in premium R&D organizations are from vernacular medium. Even I am from a Gujarati medium. Okay, so ये जो language का barrier है, उसको भी इतना focus मत कीजिए. Do not get worried because you do not know English. It's not end of the day. अभी आपके पास दो option है. This is very important. Please understand. Enjoy your life for 4 to 5 years while studying and suffer for rest of your life, or put in hard work for 4 to 5 years and enjoy for rest of your life. The decision has to be taken by you. So thank you very much, sir. I will end it here.
So here I thank Ketan sir, Chirag sir, Jay sir. Anything that you want to tell, respected sir? इस पे एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन बच्चे ने पूछा है, what is the benefit of being an engineer first, then an entrepreneur? Answer is very simple, beta. If you want to start something in the field of technology, if you want to start something in the field of engineering, it always makes sense to get your basics first. Basics जैसे ही आ जाएगा, then business. Business तो ठीक है बेटे, हमेशा हम लोग feasibility report बना सकते हैं. Feasibilities, can it be done? Viabilities, can it be profitably done? तो पहला तो आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा ना कि कैन यू सॉल्व ए प्रॉब्लम, फिर हम लोग सोच सकते हैं इस पे पैसा बन सकता है क्या. सो यस, इफ यू हैव अ पैशन फॉर इंजीनियरिंग, इट मेक्स सेंस टू लुक एट फिजिबिलिटी रिपोर्ट कि हम लोग ये कर सकते हैं क्या. अभी केतन सर ने करके बताया ये पूरा आपको. ये शोड यू ए कार लिफ्ट, ये शोड यू ए पेंटिंग रेलवे वैगन्स, ये शोड यू, अभी आपने कुछ देखा नहीं है, उनके और एक पेटेंट चल रहा है उधर रेस्टोरेंट्स के लिए, कोविड टाइम्स के लिए, राइट. कैसा रेस्टोरेंट्स में यूज कर सकते हैं. सर बता नहीं रहे क्योंकि वो पेटेंट इन प्रोसेस है सर का. ही इज स्माइलिंग, आई कैन सी दैट स्माइल ऑन हिज फेस, राइट. मैं खुद उनका देख के आया एंड आई एम अमेज्ड, यू नो, हाउ टू यूटिलाइज स्पेस. बेटे मैं जब जापान गया था, मैं इतना समझा कि स्पेस को कैसा यूटिलाइज करे, जापानीज से सीखना चाहिए. वो इज अर्थक्वेक प्रोन, things can get real estate is very very costly. I was in Tokyo, very very costly, highest in the world. तो उन्होंने किया था. आज ये टीवी का देख के मुझे वो याद आ गया. जय सर, चिराग सर, your closing comment sir. इतने respected sir has come and talked about what he has done in the field of engineering, right sir? बताइए please.
Thank you sir. Thank you Ketan sir. This is Jay sir. और सर आपसे जो बात हुआ मेरा आफ्टरनून में, तो आपने बोला सर काफी इनोवेटिव है मेरा वीडियो वगैरह, और सच्ची में आपका जो वीडियो देखा हम लोग ने, रियली बहुत इनोवेटिव था सर. जो आपने प्रैक्टिकली अपने इंजीनियरिंग फील्ड का यूज किया, और जो टेक्निकली घर से लेके बाहर तक जो आपने लोगों को बेनिफिट करके दिया, सच में सर बहुत अच्छा है. और आई होप जो मेरे साइंस के बच्चे हैं जो इधर अटेंड कर रहे हैं, सच्ची उनको भी बहुत मजा आया होगा कि कैसे एक इंजीनियर ही पूरे सिस्टम को बदल सकता है, दूसरा कोई बदल नहीं सकता है. जो भी बैरियर्स है लाइफ में, जो भी आप घर से स्टार्ट करो या आप घर के बाहर जाओ, जो भी कुछ फैसिलिटी है वो सिर्फ एक इंजीनियर प्रोवाइड कर सकता है. तो आप एक अच्छे फील्ड में हो, एक अच्छी जगह पे हो, तो आप कोशिश करो कि कितना आप इनोवेटिव हो सकते हो. सर ने बहुत अच्छी बात बोली कि जब वो रिक्रूट है तो मार्क्स बेसिस पे नहीं रिक्रूट कर, वो देखते हैं कि बंदे को सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज कितना है. तो इसलिए सब बच्चों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप पढ़ो, बट मन से पढ़ो, देखो कि उस सब्जेक्ट में आप कितना नॉलेज ले सकते हो.
In fact, I would suggest that person should definitely go out of the house, stay in the hostel and do engineering. It will develop his personality in so many other things. He will become independent, and it will help him great, you know. And the one interesting question here, can we carry out talent like dancing, singing, etc. without our studies while in IIT? Because IIT has got a lot of cultural festivals, you know, they all enjoy. These engineers enjoy नहीं करते, ऐसा दिमाग से निकाल दो भाई. Engineers can enjoy. Why? They are so these all things are there already existing. There are a lot of hostel life is also a fun, you know, provided you control yourself.
Wonderful statement from Gajanan sir, who is himself an IT professional sir. Science के student थे जय sir के. उन्होंने बोला कि scientists dream of things, engineers do them. So Gajanan sir is also there. He is our CBSE head, HOD है. तो उन्होंने he is an IT professional. उन्होंने बहुत एक अच्छा लिखा है. जय सर के स्टूडेंट्स है, एक्स स्टूडेंट है, तो उन्होंने लिखा है साइंटिस्ट ड्रीम एंड इंजीनियर्स एक्सिक्यूट देम. चिराग बेटे आपको कुछ बोलना है, आपके बच्चे भी है, प्लीज.
हाँ सर, वाकई एकदम अच्छा सेशन था. पर मेरे जो सेमी इंग्लिश के बच्चे हैं उनको काफी अच्छा लगा होगा, क्योंकि उनके अंदर का जो डर है ना, ये सेशन से निकल गया रहेगा. बहुत ही अच्छा था, बहुत ही आपने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से उसको बच्चों के सामने रखा, बहुत ही अच्छा लगा सर. थैंक यू वेरी मच सर.
आप हिंदी में सॉल्व करो, मराठी में सॉल्व करो, गुजराती में सॉल्व करो, लेकिन सॉल्व करो. दैट्स इट.
एंड
यस सर, एग्री.
Believe me, dear students, ये मुझे भी नहीं पता था कि केतन सर इज फ्रॉम गुजराती मीडियम. मुझे आज पता चला. because उनका जो फ्लुएंसी है इंग्लिश में, it is very very good. But more than that, it is his mastery over engineering, which was very impressive today. I am so happy that Dr. Vinod Nair, ये again भगवान का देन है, बड़े बड़े लोग आ जाते हैं. विनोद नायर सर अभी सर्जन है and he is now getting into a business coaching. उन्होंने business का course भी किया हमारे साथ. And I was privileged to know him. ये पूरा lockdown period में he conducted, रात को 12-1 बजे तक he was arranging speakers etc. Wow. He arranged so many seminars for HEF. कोचिन के है. मैंने जैसे ही देखा audience में, मैं बोला सर please call विनोद सर. He will propose the vote of thanks. And जय सर, आपको भी विनोद सर से बात करना है, क्योंकि फील्ड ऑफ मेडिसिन में क्या हो सकता है. आज आपने इंजीनियरिंग बताया, फील्ड ऑफ मेडिसिन में क्या हो सकता है. आई कांट थिंक ऑफ एनीबॉडी बेटर देन विनोद नायर सर. तो यही मैं बोल रहा था कि कोविड के टाइम में कितना चीज ऐसी हो जाता है. सो विनोद नायर सर इज हियर and he is going to guide the students. Next Sunday he is going to guide the students, but today I want Dr. Vinod Nair to please propose a vote of thanks to respected Ketan sir, who invested time for us और इतना हमको बताया कि उन्होंने क्या क्या किया है फील्ड ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग में. What do you respected Vinod sir? Please propose a vote of thanks, sir.
Thank you,
Dr.
LLG.
Vinod. Yes, Dr. Vinod have been right here, right, and very very. मैं बोलूँ ना, मेरा सबसे बड़ा right strength is like him who come and encourage me. मुझे मेरा सबसे बड़ा well wisher है. He keeps encouraging. चलो ये करिए. आप लोग ने से बहुत जन देखा होगा उनको. Sunday session में आए थे. Right, and we asked him कि सर्जन से आप इतना आगे बिजनेस पे चले गए. उन्होंने बोला जो भी करना है, do it with passion and love. Over to you, sir. Doctor sir, over to you.
Thank you, Anil ji, Kiran ji, Jay ji. I was just actually before coming to this talk, I was just listening to 2 talks on COVID. One was from the director of the Pune Institute of Virology. Second one was the HOD. Both ladies, HOD from Vellore Institute. They were talking about the recent development of vaccines and the tests. See, it's all, as you are saying, it's all about engineering. Without engineering, medicine doesn't exist. It's actually a combination of medicine, humans with machines of different kinds. No, the amount of research and the equipments which is going behind this COVID research is mind-blowing. And what we know now, during to do what is required in medicine, you need lots of all sort of engineering. Like in any industry, it can be automated. Anything can be bettered with automation. Like during COVID days, we are saying probably we should go to automation in business. If you want to make it profitable, if you want to make it fast, probably automation is something which is very very important and required, and where it has to be profitably done. Like I think it was one of our professors in process, he was saying, see, unless you make it viable, the automation process is viable, you cannot do it. So probably the right kind of technology has to be incorporated. I think I'll just add one note why people are really afraid about going into engineering. Because I had a lot of friends during my time in engineering college, Trivandrum Engineering College, especially with the mechanical department. At that time, many people wanted to go to this core subjects, as you were saying. But then software industry, software, electronics and communication, and later on computer came. And there was a lot of money for people with computer area. And most of the brains actually drifted to that area rather than core subjects. Because there are a lot of money from that area. And finally, and not only engineers, then other areas, from other areas also people. So the distinction between engineers and because even from after MBA, BBM, MBA, all people went to computer field. So suddenly engineering became something connected with computer. And suddenly that distinction was lost. But now I think that interest into core subjects are coming back. I think definitely, and it's absolutely required. I think Ketan Shah ji was specifically mentioning about this requirement of brilliant people going into engineering field. There is actually a good scope if you are really passionate. Most of the people are not passionate. That's why they want to go to other areas. They just have an engineering degree and they go for probably marketing. Probably that is not what they are meant for. And unless you have that, as today morning, Dr. Radhakrishnan Atulay was saying, if you do have real interest and love for the subject, probably I think you will acquire that skill. And it was a very interesting talk, especially to listen from a totally different area. I won't say it is a totally different area. It is an aligned area because there are a lot of applications in engineering in every aspect of human life. It was a wonderful talk. Thank you very much for spending your time and
it's my pleasure, sir. And
addressing people.
I'll tell you, sir, we have done hospital patient bed automation also.
Yes, sir. I am fully aware of what sort of.
And second application we have done it is that hexapod I showed you, that 6-legged device,
Yes.
which is now used for patient bed when you are performing surgery through robots. Now, robotic surgery, robot is a limited reach, 2 meters or 3 meters. So where the robot is not going to access, the bed is going to come to its rescue to come it near. So we have worked on these projects also. And और एक चीज मुझे add करना है, sir. I mean, for the students, once again, now this public sector like BRC, Nuclear Power Corporation, BAE, ISRO, they have got fantastic openings. The salaries that which they are offering is also very, very good, So there is a huge amount of opportunities available to you in addition to private industries. People never used to go there, but now there is you will get a very, very good money. You will get a lot of job satisfaction. You will be able to do a lot of research activities and also this another very important field is available to you. So with this, sir, thank you very much. Menon sir, I should thank you very much for giving me opportunity. Vinod Nair sir, thank you very much. It was an absolute pleasure from a medical profession to get into the. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you all of you.
Thank you, sir.
God bless. Thank you. Jai sir. Thank you, बोलिएगा sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Hope it was useful. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Ketan sir. Thank you, Vinod.
My
sir.
pleasure, sir. My pleasure. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, dear
Bye.
students. Love you.
Bye.